What is design thinking? Why is everybody talking about it? Why is it relevant in all disciplines? And why could it be the tool that makes the difference for you too? In your work, in your research, in your practice, and maybe even in your personal life. Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and in this little course I will take you through a little history of design thinking, where it comes from, its relation to the design discipline, and how it became the widespread, massively important creative process that it is today. We'll discuss some fundamental principles and approaches for the best design thinking mindset, like the role of uncertainty, overcoming biases, group work, visualization, assumptions, an introduction to its steps and most fundamental methods, so you will be able to immediately start using design thinking in your journey. And finally, I'm going to share with you a few spaces or areas of intervention where I think that design thinking could really be used today, and maybe where you can start playing with it. Creative processes are my life. I love how they allow me to connect theory and practice with immediate applicability, and I love how simply useful they are. So I really look forward to walking this little journey with you and to help you observe and use critically design thinking. Ready?